Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how the keep warm feature works on this Russell Hobbs Attentiv Kettle. So first things first, we're going to boil it to 100 degrees Celsius, and then we're going to have the keep warm feature running for 10 minutes, and we're going to have it set to 90 degrees Celsius, and it will do its best to keep it at around 90 degrees, but it won't be exact. It might go down to about 86, and it might go up when it boils up to about 97 or 98. So you can see now it's boiled. So now this is how you do the keep warm feature. So we're going to turn it on, and we need to hit this little timer button just here, and we can select using this style from between 40 minutes and 1 minute. So let's set it to 10 minutes by turning it clockwise, and you can reduce it by going counterclockwise. So we've got 10 minutes here, and we're going to hit the tick button here, so press in on the button. Now you need to select the desired temperature. So you can go between 40 degrees and 90 degrees Celsius. So we're going to set 90 degrees Celsius, which is the highest one, and then we're going to hit the tick button again. You can see now it's counting down, and it will keep updating as well the temperature that is currently at. Now clearly this is going to take quite a while. This needs to drop to around about 86 degrees Celsius before it kicks in again. So we're just going to fast forward through the video, probably be about 4 or 5 minutes, depending on the amount of water that you've got in here. So you can see now we're at 90, but it hasn't kicked in yet. But it will kick in. You will see that this will turn on when it goes down to maybe about 86, 87, and then it will go past 90 degrees. So it's keeping it in that 90 degree range. There we go. So it went to 87, and now it's turned itself back on. You can see temperature climbing. And now it's turned itself off again at 99, and it's going to start dropping again. We've only done it for 10 minutes, so there's not going to be enough time for it to drop low again. Once this whole 10 minutes is up, it will beep at you to let you know, and then it will turn itself off. If you want to cancel this at any time, you can just hit the X button here. So let's say now if you've done what you need to do, you can hit X. And that is it now. It's cancelled that setting there. So that is it. That is how the keep warm feature works on this Russell Hobbs kettle. Thanks for watching.